My name's Simon Balthazar, and I'm a consultant at NSRC. And I also work with Tanzania Network Information Center, which is the registry for .tz domain names, same as .ug here for Uganda. And my role there is that I'm a technical contact, and I deal with domain names to make sure the registry is working up to the standards. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm doing. I've been working with NSRC for the past 3 years. I think that is since 2013 or 2012. Not sure, but I've been supporting RENU events for the past 2 years, and this is my third event with RENU. The first one being a training and a DEA at Makerere University, and also we went and do another training and DEA at UMU in Kozi. So this one at IDI is my third one. Alright, so I was a facilitator, an instructor for this training that has just been concluded. And here at the DEA, we usually categorize ourselves into teams, and I'm working on the services team, where my role is to look at all the services that are provided by the university, look at them, see if they are working at the standard, look at if there are services which they would require and which are important that they can deploy to help them maximize the newly built network that will be done by the DEA. So basically I was looking at the monitoring and other services. Alright, so workshop is when we gather as a class and discuss a particular topic of a choice. It could be something to do with campus network design, or it could be something to do with monitoring, and discuss those topics and look at the best common practices around that particular topic of a choice. And whereas the DEA is that the team comes in and look at the design of the network of a particular university and identify potential problems with that particular network and look at the best way to fix those problems and rebuild the network to the expected standard. So basically DEA, it involves hands-on on the network, where a team in the university will work with the consultants to build their network together according to the standard. I think RENU, compared to other NRENs in the region, they're doing very well in terms of capacity building, and I think they are moving in the right direction, conducting 3 workshops in a year and covering different areas from security to campus design to monitoring. I think those are important areas where system admins need to be comfortable with. So I think they're doing pretty well. Alright, so RENU, they're doing a good job in terms of organization of the workshop and the DEA, because they communicate, they have a calendar which covers all year through programs, and if they are to involve the consultants like NSRC, we tend to get the notification way in advance, which is very good for planning, and I think that is one of the things they are doing very well compared to other NRENs in Africa. Also, the general organization in terms of airport pickups, hotels and accommodation, and even the social breaks that we have during the events are well organized. Well, I would like to say just kudos for that, and they're doing very well. In terms of improvement, I would say I've not had any issues with RENU organization. I think, to me, they are perfect so far. Well, I must say RENU has been growing from the first time that I came here compared to now. When I look at the number of member institutions that are working with RENU, when I look at the number of events that they're doing in a year, they moved from doing one event in a year to now 3 in a year, where they train a workshop and they do direct engineering assistance to universities 3 times a year, which is quite an achievement. Also, I've seen them growing in terms of number of staff, the technical support staff, which is a good thing, meaning that they have enough people now to cater for all the members institutions that are working with them. So RENU is constantly growing, and I think they are heading in the right direction.